Alright, we got another unboxing here. I'm gonna have to get scissors for this one. Actually, this will work good. No, I've never ordered from this place before. I believe these are SilverTowne rounds. They were on sale. They were like at spot, I think. Let's see here. So I picked up 40 of them just because I don't have any from this place. So let's see here. I bought this from JM Bullion. They had a special, so these were like at spot. It is a similar tape that as Atmex, but I like it better. It stays together better. That looks just about the same as the other ones I've gotten. But look at that. It's pretty nice. But the Atmex Buffalo rounds look just like these. They're like pretty much identical, except the Buffalo's a little different on the back of this one. And the fine silver stamping is different too, but look at that. It's pretty nice actually. For like at spot, it's crazy. I like it. I don't know, I might have to buy a bunch more. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys these rounds. So yeah. And here's a whole nother. These are identical, so yeah, so just thought I'd show you that.